guys? Allyn here with Sonic Electronix CES 2019 at the Phoenix Gold booth, taking a look at the SX2 series of products. I'm here with John, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
All right, thank you. So we have our SX2 series of amplifiers, woofers, and component speakers. There's also coaxial speakers available in this line. They're all kind of matched to go with each other, power-wise and sonically. So we want the speakers to be able to blend in well with the woofers, so those match up well. And we have options if you're going to do single or dual voice coil.
Cool.
2 ohm, 4 ohm, so you got lots of range of being able to set that up. The most important thing, though, in my opinion, are the amplifiers.
It is a beautiful amp.
These amplifiers, a little unique with the end-loaded setup. A lot of amps they have the connections on either side. This makes it a little nicer, a little cleaner when you do an install. And typically, if you're doing a Phoenix install, you want it to look nice. You can show this off.
Absolutely.
Some of the other unique features for this is we have a feature called bass shift. So if you use the 6-channel amp or the monoblocks, it comes with a separate controller, which is right here. It allows you to adjust the phase of the subwoofer from the front of the vehicle and also the level of the subwoofer from the front of the vehicle.
Oh, cool.
And what that does is it allows you to adjust for the way the woofer is the sound is traveling through the vehicle and making sure that it is in phase with all your other speakers, so you get the amount of bass that you're looking for without having to just overdrive the speaker.
It's nice not to have to go back to the amplifier and sit there and adjust it and go back and listen. You can do it on the fly.
A lot of guys only have like a 180 degree switch. This is fully adjustable at 180, 0 to 180. And if that doesn't do it, you could switch it if it happens to be out of that realm. But most likely it'll get it within that 180, and you can do it right from the front where you are listening to it. So it's perfect. And then the other unique thing about these is the Class D full range. So they're all Class D full range, excuse me. So even the monoblocks. So if you want to do a really high-end front stage, you could do a 601 on left, a 601 on right.
Nice.
Infinite sound channel separation and tons of power.
Yeah, that's a lot of power.
Or you're doing a boat and you're doing tower speakers, a 1201 on all the towers. You don't need stereo in a boat, but you want lots of power.
True.
So you put a 1201 on 4 tower speakers, and then the guy can hear you in the next lake. So those are pretty cool features. The monoblocks are also stackable or linkable, and what that means is you can bridge 2 together to make 1 amplifier. So 2 601s make a 1201.
Nice.
Or 2 1201s make a 2401. Or you can have them so they cascade. So if you're doing a big system, let's say you want to do 12 12s or something, and you want to run 2 on each, you could run the inputs into 1 amp, and then the outputs from that amp, the second set of outputs, run to the next amp. You turn this amp on master, and you only adjust the gain on this amp, and it adjusts all the other amps in the series.
That's cool.
So
awesome.
Things that nobody else has on their amplifiers. It's pretty neat.
Well, as you can tell, guys, obviously the SX2 series is definitely feature-packed. We couldn't really possibly talk about all of them today, but for more information on this series or the Phoenix Gold products, please visit sonicelectronics.com.